Gardeners work hard to grow healthy food. They spend countless hours preparing the soil, planting seeds, and nurturing their crops. Every gardener dreams of a bountiful harvest, filled with fresh, vibrant vegetables and fruits. Pests can quickly undo this hard work. These tiny invaders can appear out of nowhere, attacking plants and spreading rapidly throughout the garden. This creates frustration for many gardeners. After all the hard work and dedication, seeing their plants suffer can be disheartening. Controlling pests is essential for a productive garden. Gardeners must be vigilant, regularly inspecting their plants and taking action at the first sign of trouble. Chemical pesticides seem like an easy solution. They promise quick results and the immediate eradication of pests that threaten your garden. For many, this seems like the perfect answer to a persistent problem, but they come with long-term consequences. Over time, the very chemicals designed to protect your plants can lead to their decline. The soil becomes less fertile, and the plants weaker. These chemicals don't just target pests, they indiscriminately kill any insect that comes into contact with them. This means that the delicate balance of your garden's ecosystem is disrupted. They also kill beneficial insects like ladybugs and bees. These insects play a crucial role in maintaining the health of your garden. Ladybugs help control aphid populations, while bees are vital for pollination. Without them, your garden would struggle to thrive. The loss of these beneficial insects can lead to a cascade of negative effects. Chemical residues can linger in the soil and on your produce. This means that even after the pests are gone, the chemicals remain. They can be absorbed by the plants and eventually make their way into your food. This poses risks to your health and the environment. Consuming produce with chemical residues can have long-term health effects. Additionally, handling these chemicals can cause respiratory issues and skin irritation. These chemicals can contaminate water sources and harm wildlife. When it rains, the chemicals can be washed into nearby streams and rivers, affecting aquatic life and the animals that depend on these water sources. It's crucial to choose a safer, more sustainable approach. Organic pest control methods offer alternatives that are not only effective but also environmentally friendly. They help maintain the natural balance of your garden. Organic pest prevention offers a proactive solution. By using natural repellents and encouraging beneficial insects, you can keep pest populations in check without harming the environment. It focuses on creating a balanced ecosystem in your garden. A diverse range of plants can attract beneficial insects and deter pests. Adding compost improves soil health, making plants more resilient. This makes your garden less hospitable to pests in the first place. A healthy, balanced garden is naturally more resistant to pest invasions, reducing the need for chemical interventions. Companion planting is a time-tested technique. It involves planting different crops together for mutual benefit. Some plant combinations deter pests naturally. Others attract beneficial insects that prey on garden pests. By strategically pairing plants, you can create a natural defense system for your garden. Here's a list of effective plant pairings for pest control. Marigolds and most vegetables, known for their pungent scent, deter aphids and other common pests. Tomatoes and basil. Basil repels tomato hornworms, whiteflies, and aphids. Cucumbers and nasturtiums. Nasturtiums attract aphids, drawing them away from cucumbers. Cabbage and dill. Dill repels cabbage worms and attracts beneficial wasps that parasitize pest larvae. Carrots and onions. Onions deter carrot root flies, while carrots repel onion flies. Lettuce and chives. Chives deter aphids that commonly infest lettuce. These are just a few examples of the many beneficial plant combinations. Experiment with companion planting in your garden and discover what works best for your region and specific plants. Nature provides a wealth of safe and effective pest deterrents. These natural substances repel pests without harming beneficial insects or the environment. Garlic, with its strong odor, effectively repels aphids, spider mites, and whiteflies. Neem oil, derived from the neem tree, disrupts the life cycle of many pests. Diatomaceous earth made from fossilized diatoms damages the exoskeletons of insects, leading to dehydration. These natural deterrents are readily available and easy to use. They offer a safe and effective alternative to chemical pesticides. Beneficial insects are nature's pest control agents. These insects prey on common garden pests, keeping their populations in check. Ladybugs, with their voracious appetites, devour aphids, mites, and scale insects. Lacewings, both in their larval and adult stages, feed on aphids, mealybugs, and caterpillars. Praying mantises are ambush predators, capturing and consuming a wide range of insects, including flies, moths, and beetles. Attracting these beneficial insects to your garden is a cornerstone of organic pest control. Creating a welcoming habitat is key to attracting beneficial insects. Provide them with food sources, shelter, and a pesticide-free environment. Plant a diversity of flowering plants to provide nectar and pollen for beneficial insects. Leave some areas of your garden undisturbed to provide shelter for ground-dwelling insects. Avoid using chemical pesticides that can harm these beneficial creatures. By creating a hospitable environment, you can encourage beneficial insects to make your garden their home. Let's explore how you can create your own pest control solutions using ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen or garden shed. You can easily make effective pest sprays at home using simple, natural ingredients. These ingredients are not only cost-effective, but also safe for your plants and the environment. They help you avoid the harsh chemicals found in many commercial products, which can be harmful to beneficial insects and soil health. Blend several cloves of garlic with water. Garlic is a natural insect repellent and has been used for centuries to keep pests at bay. Its strong smell and compounds deter many common garden pests. Strain the mixture into a spray bottle. This ensures that the liquid is free of any solid particles that could clog the spray nozzle, making it easier to apply evenly on your plants. Spray on plants to deter aphids, spider mites, and whiteflies. These pests can cause significant damage to your plants, but regular application of garlic spray can keep them under control. Mix a tablespoon of neem oil with a teaspoon of mild dish soap in a quart of water. Neem oil is a powerful natural pesticide that disrupts the life cycle of many pests, preventing them from feeding and reproducing. Spray on plants to control a wide range of pests, including aphids, mealybugs, and fungal diseases. Neem oil also has antifungal properties, making it a versatile solution for various garden problems. Remember to test any spray on a small area of your plants first to ensure it doesn't cause any damage. This step is crucial as some plants may be sensitive to certain ingredients, and it's better to be safe than sorry. By using these homemade pest sprays, you can maintain a healthy and thriving garden. Not only will your plants be free from harmful pests, but you'll also be contributing to a more sustainable and eco-friendly gardening practice. Mulch is a gardener's best friend, offering numerous benefits, including pest control. Mulch suppresses weeds that compete with your plants for nutrients and harbor pests. It also helps retain moisture in the soil, reducing stress on your plants. Additionally, some mulches, like cedar and cypress, have pest-repelling properties. Apply a 2 to 3 inch layer of mulch around your plants, leaving space around the stem to prevent rot. Physical barriers provide a simple yet effective method for protecting your plants from pests. Row covers, made from lightweight fabric, create a barrier between pests and your plants. They allow light and air to penetrate while keeping out insects. Garden fences can deter larger pests like rabbits and deer from feasting on your crops. For smaller plants, consider using cloches, individual plant covers that create a mini greenhouse environment. Organic pest prevention is about working with nature, not against it. By adopting these methods, you can create a healthy, thriving garden while protecting the environment. Remember, a little prevention goes a long way. By taking proactive steps to prevent pest problems, you can reduce the need for intervention later on. Embrace the organic approach and enjoy the rewards of a bountiful and chemical-free harvest. Happy gardening!